Why do pool tile installations fail in cold climates? Well, let's take a look here at a great example this week. We removed plaster off of a set of stairs in Wisconsin. You'll see over my shoulder here. See this? These lines. Pool tile needs to be adhered as close to 100% to the surface so that water doesn't get behind it, freeze, and push the tile off concrete. When you can see the what are called trowel marks behind it, that means the application with a trowel, where we put lines in there to adhere the tile wasn't pressed into place all the way. And so it leaves a big open gap that allows the tile to break off. Additionally, with tile, certain tiles, such as glass for example, they expand 3 to 4 times faster than concrete. So the sun shines on the tile expands, and the tile's going to push outward. So just a few things to consider if you're having a pool built right now by anybody. Make sure that they allow proper concrete curing time. From the time they spray the pool till they do the first install of anything, it should be 28 days, not overnight. And then from there, the tile adhesive takes at least 7 days or so to harden, and sometimes the cure times are longer depending on the product. So if you see a rush job, there's a great indication that about a year or two down the road, your tiles are going to be popping off and you're going to be fishing for them in the bottom of the pool. So remember, get things in writing and do them right the first time. Have a great day and swim safe.